Most people won't struggle in the next 5 years because they are lazy. They'll struggle because their skills became cheap. Cheap to outsource, cheap to automate, cheap to replace. The economy isn't removing jobs, it's removing average value. And if you don't increase your value intentionally, the market decides your price for you. One salary is no longer security, it's exposure. Inflation rises, AI improves, competition becomes global. You're not competing with people in your city anymore, you're competing with the internet. Most people try to save their way into wealth, but you don't escape financial pressure by shrinking expenses forever. You escape it by increasing leverage. That's where high-value side hustles come in, not random hustles, not trendy hustles, high-value ones. Here's why most people fail. They chase easy, not valuable. They search for fast money, beginner-friendly, no skill required. But if it requires no skill, it has no scarcity. And if there's no scarcity, there's no money. Income grows in direct proportion to the problems you can solve. So, let's talk about real skills, skills that survive AI, skills that scale globally, skills businesses actually pay for. High-ticket sales and deal closing. AI can generate leads, but closing deals is human. If you can handle objections, negotiate confidently, build trust quickly, and understand buyer psychology, you become revenue, and revenue is never replaced. You can close deals for agencies, work on commission, join remote sales teams, earn per closed client. No inventory, no ads, just skill. Business process optimization, not basic AI prompting, strategic implementation. Small and mid-sized businesses don't know what to automate or where they are wasting time. If you can analyze their workflow, improve efficiency, connect tools intelligently, and reduce costs, you save them money. And when you save businesses money, they pay you. You can offer audits, optimization packages, or monthly support retainers. AI is a tool. Operators win. Authority-based content strategy, not random posting, strategic positioning. Founders and professionals need visibility, but they don't have clarity. If you understand audience psychology, messaging, positioning, and content systems, you help them grow influence. You can offer content strategy, ghostwriting, LinkedIn positioning, or personal brand consulting. AI can write words. It cannot replace identity or lived experience. Niche consulting. Generalists compete, specialists dominate. Pick a specific niche, solve a specific problem. When you specialize, you stop competing on price. You can offer high-ticket consulting calls, monthly advisory retainers, and later digital products. Depth beats noise. Community building and network leverage. The future economy runs on trust. If you can build communities, create engagement systems, and connect the right people, you control access, and brands pay for access. Now, here's the execution plan. Don't try all 5. Pick one. Spend the next 90 days building real competence. Learn deeply, practice consistently, offer small projects, get feedback, then get your first paying client, even if it's small. Build proof, improve your positioning, increase your pricing, reinvest in better tools, better knowledge, better networks. Side hustles fail when people switch too fast. Consistency compounds. The next decade will split people into 2 groups, those who execute instructions and those who influence decisions, those who trade hours and those who multiply outcomes. You don't need 10 income streams. You need one powerful, scarce skill and the discipline to stay with it. If this changed how you see side hustles, like the video. Subscribe if you want clarity without hype, and tell me in the comments which one are you committing to for the next 90 days.